collar mic is absolutely necessary if you're a vlogger or a host of some YouTube channel. In this video, I will be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on the Boya BY-M1 omnidirectional microphone. So now let's quickly unbox it. So this is what we get inside the box. A carrying pouch, some paperwork along with the user manual, a 3.5mm to 6.35mm converter and the mic itself. Let's move on to the main highlight of the video, the Boya collar mic now. This is a condenser mic, so you have this switch from which you can turn it on and off. It amplifies the audio and gives out a better audio quality in whole. But it uses a battery and it can be a hassle for some people. Because it uses a 3.5mm jack, you can use this with any smartphone or camera that has it. This clip helps you to mount this microphone on any of your attire with ease. You get a fairly long wire with it, so you don't have to worry about using it with your camera that's positioned at a distance. It's 20 feet long to be precise. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching.